everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve the issue of your API errors in the Claude. Now, if you have API limiting error in the Claude, in order to fix it, just simply open any of the browser that you have, and here you need to type the Claude website, and you just simply need to upgrade your Claude account. Now, once you update your Claude account, all you need to do is to just simply first of all log into your Claude account. Now, once you logged in, you need to go to the developers section and update your account. Now, in order to update it, just simply click over there, and here you see this option of upgrade plan. Now, from here you can select any other plan, and it will give you a higher usage limit of APIs. And if you get the pro plan, it will cost you something around 17 USD per month, and it will simply solve your issues of your API limit that is being reached very quickly.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.